Today I am reviewing the Shark NV501 Rotator Professional Lift-Away Upright Vacuum with HEPA filter. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're in the market for a high-performance, versatile, and easy-to-use vacuum cleaner that truly delivers on both power and convenience, the Shark NV501 Rotator Professional Lift-Away Upright Vacuum is definitely worth your attention. This model from Shark has built a reputation for being a cleaning powerhouse that combines excellent suction, advanced maneuverability, and features designed to make your cleaning sessions faster and more thorough. Let's start with the design and build quality. The NV501 has that classic Shark Rotator look, sleek, solid, and functional, with a clean white and red color scheme. It feels premium without being bulky or difficult to manage. Despite being an upright vacuum, it's surprisingly lightweight and very well balanced. The materials feel sturdy, and Shark's attention to detail is evident in the way all the parts fit together. You can tell this vacuum is designed for everyday use in real homes, whether you're tackling carpets, hardwood floors, or even furniture. Now, one of the standout features here is lift-away functionality, and this is what really sets Shark vacuums apart from many others. With just the push of a button, you can detach the pod from a main unit, transforming the upright vacuum into a portable lift-away canister. This is incredibly useful for cleaning areas that are normally a hassle to reach, like under furniture, stairs, or above-floor surfaces such as curtains, lampshades, and shelves. It gives you the versatility of two vacuums in one, upright when you need powerful floor cleaning and portable when you need flexibility. Moving on to the cleaning performance. This is where the NV501 really shines. Shark equipped it with powerful suction that easily lifts dirt, dust, and pet hair from both carpets and hard floors. It performs especially well on medium and high-pile carpets, where cheaper vacuums often struggle. The brush roll does an excellent job of agitating dirt and debris, and switching between surfaces is seamless. Whether you're cleaning up after pets, kids, or just daily household mess, this vacuum delivers consistent suction without losing power. Another major highlight is Shark's Anti-Allergen Complete Seal technology, paired with a HEPA filter. This feature is particularly important for households with pets or allergy sufferers. The system traps dust, allergens, and microscopic particles inside the vacuum. So instead of releasing them back into the air, they stay securely contained. This helps keep the air in your home cleaner and fresher, making a noticeable difference if you're sensitive to dust or pollen. The advanced swivel steering is another feature that makes cleaning with the NV501 a breeze. It's extremely easy to maneuver around furniture, corners, and tight spaces without feeling heavy or clunky. The swivel head moves smoothly, allowing you to get close to walls, under tables, or around chair legs with precision. Combined with LED headlights on the nozzle, you can actually see hidden debris, dust, or pet hair that you might otherwise miss, especially on darker floors or under furniture. It's a small feature, but once you get used to it, you'll wonder how you ever cleaned without it. Now, let's talk about the included tools and attachments, and Shark definitely doesn't disappoint here. You get a wide upholstery tool, dusting brush, and crevice tool. The wide upholstery tool is perfect for tackling couches, mattresses, and other soft surfaces, removing hair and debris efficiently across a wide area. The dusting brush is designed for delicate surfaces like blinds, lampshades, or keyboards, where you need gentle yet effective cleaning. And the crevice tool helps you reach tight spaces, such as between couch cushions or along baseboards. Together, these attachments make the NV501 a truly all-purpose cleaning system for your entire home. Maintenance is also simple and straightforward. The dust cup is large enough to handle multiple cleaning sessions before needing to be emptied, and it detaches easily with minimal mess. The filters are washable, which saves you money in the long run, and Shark's modular design means most parts can be replaced if ever needed, extending the vacuum's lifespan significantly. When it comes to usability, the NV501 strikes an excellent balance between power and convenience. The handle and controls are ergonomically designed, making it comfortable to hold and operate for longer cleaning sessions. The cord length is generous, so you can move from room to room without constantly searching for outlets. And because it's a bagless system, you won't have to worry about buying replacement bags. Just empty the canister, clean the filter occasionally, and you're good to go. In real-world use, this vacuum excels in almost every cleaning situation. Pet hair, crumbs, dust, and debris, it handles them all effortlessly. The lift-away feature makes it perfect for multi-level homes or for anyone who wants the convenience of cleaning stairs, cars, and furniture with one machine. And thanks to its sealed HEPA system, it's not just cleaning your floors, it's improving your indoor air quality too. To sum it all up, the Shark NV501 Rotator Professional Lift-Away Upright Vacuum is a fantastic all-around choice for anyone looking for a reliable, powerful, and easy-to-use cleaning solution. It combines strong suction, versatility, and thoughtful features like LED headlights, advanced swivel steering, and excellent filtration. Whether you have pets, kids, or just a busy household, the NV501 offers professional-level cleaning at a price that makes sense for most homes. If you're tired of vacuums that lose suction, miss debris, or feel heavy and awkward to use, the Shark NV501 is a refreshing upgrade. It's durable, practical, and designed to make cleaning easier and more effective. In short, it's one of those household tools that actually delivers on what it promises. And once you start using it, you'll probably find yourself recommending it to others too.